हे गाइस, वेलकम टू द चैनल। और आज हम आए हैं पश्चिम विहार और एक्सप्लोर करेंगे हम फोटोग्राफ को। तो जैसे आप मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पर आपको कोई भी अगर कस्टमाइजेबल कोलाज चाहिए, वॉल आर्ट चाहिए, कस्टमाइजेबल क्लॉक्स चाहिए या आपको एनिवर्सरी के लिए गिफ्ट चाहिए अगर, तो आपको सब कुछ मिल जाएगी। वॉल हैंगिंग्स आपको चाहिए, हर एक चीज मिल जाएगी। आइए इनकी शॉप को एक्सप्लोर करते हैं, प्राइस के रिगार्डिंग पूछते हैं और क्या पूछते हैं कि इनके पास क्या क्या चीजें हैं। तो व्हाट डू वी हैव हियर?
So the thing is, we are into personalized gifting. So we do different kind of personalized products. They can be photo collages, wall clocks, LED frames, photo mosaics. This is a very unique concept. Like from a distance you see one picture, but when you go closer you can see a lot of pictures of the same person. So this is very prevalent within the teenagers. They really like this kind of concept. Then moving on, we do a lot of other kind of gifts. Like if you have a 21st birthday for somebody, you know, that's a milestone birthday. So we have these kind of picture frames kind of thing.
So ये जो है ये कस्टमाइज भी हो जाएगा ऐसे?
Yeah, these are all customizable. Like the client comes, they give us the photographs, we customize the thing, and then we give them the end product. So we are basically a one-stop shop for all kind of customized needs they have. So it can be made with several pictures, few pictures, one picture. That's the client's choice.
Okay.
Then we also do another concept where you can turn a regular picture into a comic collage or a sketch kind of thing. So this is also in very these days. Then another concept which is very in these days is this clip-on collage, wherein people can change their pictures whenever they feel like. They have different memory, they have been to different holidays, so they want to keep changing the pictures. In this they have this kind of flexibility.
So इनकी प्राइस रेंज क्या रहता है?
Prices usually vary with the sizes. The smaller sizes are definitely, you know, they start from 200, 300, 500. But as you go for bigger sizes, the cost increases, goes up to 2000, 2500. And also it depends on the kind of product we are using, you know, the quality of the frame and pictures and everything. The cost varies according to that.
So if you talk about this one, what's the price?
So this size is about 18 by 24 inches, and the size and this costs around 2500. Here the quality of the frame is very good, and the finishing and everything is par excellence. Okay, for something which is on a similar concept, but you know you have fewer images and you have a little average kind of frame, so this costs around 700 as compared to this one. There is a lot of variation in personalized gifting. You can also customize, you know, a child's name for his room. So each letter is like 200 per letter. These are all wooden letters printed. You can also have photographs on these letters. Another of this concept is like, you know, if you are giving a farewell to somebody, then you have a quote and pictures with everybody on this frame. So it's a very good farewell gift.
And what will be the price for this one?
Again, it varies with the size and number of pictures we are using. Varies from 1200 to 2500.
And what's the size for this one?
For this one, it is 2000.
2000.
Yeah. A very different concept for personalized gifting is a 3D portrait collage. So this is done in MDF layering, and it is all deco. Deco is a very fine paint we use for this kind of collage, and this has been made out of your regular photograph. Another concept is this is a graffiti concept. The way you see the, you know, big walls and you have your pictures painted on it. So similar concept, we do a canvas for you with your photographs and your message.
So इस साइड में जो है ये wall decor है.
Yeah, because see, this is a new concept which we are doing these days. We started it a couple of years back, and a lot of people are asking, you know, they want to do a small wall of their room or a big wall for their room where they can put their pictures and the kind of things, you know, maybe they have traveled to far away places and they want to save those memories on the wall. So this concept came in. So what we do is we just go to the client side. We measure their wall, we give them the concept, how they can go about it. Say they want a family tree kind of thing. So we create this kind of concept with them where everyone in the family, they have their pictures displayed like this. And the kind of frames we use are very good quality. And these are nailless, you know, if you can take this out. We use these kind of velcros, and because of which you do not spoil your wall anytime. Even when you take this out completely, these will not leave an impression on your wall.
So size क्या इसका? What's the size?
This size, this is a very huge size. We usually don't have this in Delhi where the apartments are small. But something like this is like a 15 by 10 feet of wall, which is covered edge to edge. So this will cost somewhere around 20-30K. But if you're going for a small size like a 4 by 6 wall or something, so it starts from 5,000 and it goes up till 10,000, 12,000. Depending on the kind of, again, frames, number of frames, quality of frames. all of those things matter. And another small wall kind of thing, as I was saying, like, you know, family, home, love, joy. For something like this kind of wall, it can be wrapped up in like 10-12K. Where you have these letters, you have frames, you have different elements to enhance the wall. You can even go for a different kind of wallpaper. So this is like a textured wallpaper, which gives, improves the look of the whole wall done together. You can go for these kind of lamps. We also do these kind of accessories to, you know, bring out the whole concept. Another concept which is very prevalent these days is like you do a small wall outside the kitchen. You use these kind of ceramic plates and you do a small kitchen kind of thing. In this you can also use accessories like this fork and spoon, the eat thing, or if you're going for a restaurant or a cafe kind of thing, you can use these kind of elements to enhance the decor of the place. So we provide these kind of elements also, both for commercial and residential. We do gifting for various occasions also, like recently Valentine's Day were there, so we introduced this kind of a box wherein you can have a couple picture on the top, and when you open the box it is full of goodies and pictures and different kind of concept just to surprise your partner. And you have these battery operated lights also, so you know your whole concept is there in this box. You don't have to do anything else for to make the occasion
and
special.
That's totally customizable.
They completely customized. You can have your pictures here, you can have your pictures here, you can have your pictures on the top. And this box, all these are very good quality. It's a canvas box, good quality, everything.
And it's a part of memory.
Yeah, everything. You know, like you put it on your bedside, you put this box alongside it, and you have this kind of jar, which again has a light. So you know, these are all quirky small things which pep up the occasion. So we do these kind of gifts also.
How much would it cost?
This is a big box with a lot of things inside, so it varies from 3 to 4,000. But we have similar concepts in smaller boxes. They vary from 1,200 to 1,500, 2,000, 2,500, depending on how many elements we are putting in the box. Another concept, if you're going for a boys' room, you can put this kind of wall art, you know, big car kind of thing. It's done in metal, very nice finish and very bright colors and everything, vintage look. And you can also personalize it with putting some pictures of your son to give it a personalized touch.
And how much would it cost?
This is a metal piece for around 3 feet big. This is for 5,500 rupees.
5,500.
Yes.
And what's the price for individual frames?
Individual frame, they start from 500 rupees each, and they go up till 700, 800 each. We also do these kind of personalized cushions. They can be done in any name, letter, or in various shapes like a crown shape, or you can go for a bolster kind of thing where you have pictures on the full front side. So these are various cushion options which we are doing right now. We also do these kind of personalized quilts where you have these cushions and pillows with photos to customize. Especially very good gift for a first anniversary or to gift on a wedding. So these are very good concept.
Okay. And how much would it cost?
This starts from 4,000, and which will include four cushions, pillow covers, and one bedspread.
4,000.
4,000 onwards, yes.
And if you talk about this wall, how much would it cost? And
So
what's the price for this one?
for example, this wall is approximately 8 by 10 feet. So if we are taking 200 rupees square feet, so it is a 80 square feet wall. So 80 into 200, 16,000. That will include the designing, the material, and the installation. Hi everyone, we are by the name of Photocraft. We are into personalized gifting. And we started this business roughly 10 years back. When we started this business, we had a very small range of gift items, mainly photo collages and wall clocks and cushions and mugs. But eventually over the years, we have increased our range to all kind of customized gifts, may it be photo quilts, may it be photo bouquets, photo plaques, and family trees, and various type of collages made on different kind of products, may it be wood, glass, acrylic. So the range has kept on increasing over the years, and for the past 2 years we have started diversified ourselves into a new range, which is memory wall concept, where we do all kind of wall interiors for the houses, mainly residential. May it be your living room wall or your bedroom wall or a wall for your kids' room. We design the wall as per the client requirement. For example, if the kid is into sports, so we'll give them a sporty look on the wall. It can also be a wallpaper of your photographs for your room to give it a completely personalized touch. The variety is too much. If you come to our studio, you'll find a variety of products which will really help you decide what kind of look you want to go for. We have a studio in Paschim Vihar right now. in Guru Har Kishan Nagar. So if you really want to visit and have a look into something very creative, you're most welcome to come and visit us. Thank you.